CS5 installation reference video. This is CS5 main unit, great and clear screen. The body is very textured, with good cable material. Front and rear cameras with extension cables, F1.3 RFT, R2.5 FT. GPS. Camera bracket. Host bracket. ACC power cable, connected to motorcycle battery use. Light shield, block the hard light. Wired controller. USB test cable. Front and rear tire pressure sensors. Cable clip. Cable TIS4 fixing cables. Protective film. Screwdriver. Install the memory card of host. Unscrew the TF card slot of the base with a screwdriver. Please pay attention to the direction of the card slot to prevent incorrect installation. Put the lid back on. Loosen the screw. Take the anti-slip pad out. Put it on the bike pole. Loosen the screw on the other side. Then fix the bracket to the bike pole with screw. Loosen the bracket with an wrench. Connect the display screen to the bracket. Tighten with an wrench. Installation completed. The bracket can adjust its angle freely. Place the Z-shaped bracket at the position of the rearview mirror. Then reinstall the rearview mirror in the original way. Loosen the screw on the bracket with a wrench. Put it into the Z-shaped bracket. Tighten the screw on the bracket with a wrench. Loosen the bracket with an wrench. Connect the display screen to the bracket. Tighten with an wrench. Installation completed. The wire controller is equipped with adhesive tape, just stick it in the appropriate position. Camera bracket installation. Install the shock-absorbing rubber ring onto the camera. Then install the circular bracket onto it. Place the gasket into the base. Fix the bracket with screw. After installing the nut, tighten and secure with a wrench. After installing the bracket, the adhesive tape can be fixed at the bottom of the bracket first. Find a suitable installation position in the motorcycle. Find the appropriate place to wipe according to the needs to avoid abnormal paste. Tear the adhesive tape and paste it. Then start arranging the cable. Connect to the host. The rear camera is also installed in the same way. Connect the black wire of the multimeter to the negative pole of the motorcycle battery and plug the red wire into the ACC power port for testing. Turn on the motorcycle and search for the ACC position of the battery. The voltage displayed on the multimeter indicates that this may be the ACC power we are looking for. Turn the key to turn off the power, the voltage becomes 0 and the location of the ACC is determined. After determining the ACC position, connect the red wire of the power cable to the positive pole of the motorcycle battery. The black wire is connected to the negative pole of the battery. Open the ACC port found. Thread the yellow wire to the port for fixation. After fixing it, restore the port. Turn the key to check if the power module lights up. If it lights up, it indicates that the power cable has been successfully installed. Then organize the power cable and paste it in the appropriate position on the motorcycle. Before installing GPS, find a suitable location first. Wipe the location clean, stick and fix the GPS. Select the settings icon. Select the tire pressure icon, click bind off, click confirm. Start pairing. Return to the main menu. Click panel. If the tire pressure values are displayed normally, the tire pressure pairing is complete. First screw the metal gasket into the tire air outlet. Then install the tire pressure sensor. After installation, use a wrench to tighten the gasket towards the direction close to the tire pressure sensor. Prevent loss of tire pressure sensor.